Years ago, uncle and aunt made me steal money for mother's medicines. But today, just because of them, the son of the most virtuous woman in this world has become the biggest thief in Baghdad.
Tell us, landlord Habibullah.
Princess Yasmin, I want justice. I have paid my taxes on time, but the government has confiscated my diamond. I think it is a conspiracy. That blue diamond is a remembrance of my late father. Your dear father, the king, is very innocent. Someone has instigated him. I have paid all my taxes on time. I am sure someone from the palace is trying to cheat the king.
If you're telling the truth, then I assure you that then I'll definitely make sure that you get justice. I am the crown princess.
Thank you, princess.
You have definitely promised him, but how will you serve justice? You are not the queen yet.
Piddi, even if I'm not the queen yet, I still have to fulfill the responsibilities of queen.
But dear princess, till the great king and the great queen actually return from Hindustan, please be careful, alright? Because your palanquin will pass through the city in the royal procession this evening. Please don't do something dangerous today.
I'll have to steal the blue diamond.
Long live Princess Yasmin! 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 Long live Princess Yasmin!
Princess, a lot of sweet kids are giving you flowers.
Long live Princess Yasmin! Long live Princess
The
Yasmin!
kids are so cute. Come on, wave at them, princess. Yes, very good.
Long live Princess Yasmin!
Princess, now put your hand inside or else someone might steal all your jewels.
Long live Princess Yasmin! 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 Long live Princess Yasmin!
Yes, give her the flowers, give her the flowers. Where is this Aladdin?
I'm so unlucky. Well, Badan must be looking at the prince.
Long live Princess Yasmin! Long live Princess Yasmin!
And look at me.
Long live Princess Yasmin! Long live Princess Yasmin! Long live Princess Yasmin! Long live Princess Yasmin!
Princess, what are you doing?
Didi, help me! It's too tight!
Okay, wait.
Piddi! Piddi!
Princess, I'll be back in a minute, okay? In a minute.
Piddi!
What happened, auntie? Did you call me?
Is everything okay at home?
Yes. A lot of rats run around like that.
I swear on gold coins. That's what you'll get after paying such low rent. Let them run in the house and let them have some fun. Never mind, you just do me a favor. Let Gul Badan meet the princess. Come on.
Auntie, the thing is that,
What's wrong? Why are you hesitating like this? Listen, dear. You know how costly the world has become, don't you? What if the rent increases overnight? You will miss the home as well as the rats. Take him, dear. Take him. Go, you idiot.
Let's go.
Princess Yasmin, do you know who is the most beautiful person in whole Baghdad? It is me. Gul Badan. Don't look at me right away. You might faint after seeing my beauty.
Long live Princess Yasmin! Long live
Hey Piddi, did the princess faint after seeing me? She isn't looking at me.
Don't worry, I will check.
Long live Princess Yasmin! Princess Yasmin!
Right, they are already unconscious. Someone is already here to steal the diamond.
Huh? Huh?
What's wrong?
Nothing. Actually, the princess is very upset with you.
Why?
Because you're very beautiful. After seeing your beauty, she's very jealous. So she's upset with you.
You know, this usually happens with me. You know, I am so beautiful. I am also beautiful like princess.
You know, Gulbadan, you go away because the princess is very angry with you. Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Goodbye, princess.
Go now.
Goodbye, Piddi.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, Piddi, listen. You are a very good tenant.
Yes.
Dad, Mom.
Princess, where did you go?
Fake black thief? The moment I saw you, dear, I knew what love is.
Which song is this?
Well, it isn't, but it'll be composed someday. And that too for some duplicate thief like you. Hey, wait, what do I do? I'm so sorry. Despite being a girl, you are committing theft? And I was only...
It's a fake diamond.
Oh, hey.
It's fake.
Duplicate?
Wonderful. Excellent. I had heard a lot about the Black Thief. And you are exactly like that. No one else can differentiate between the original and fake better than you.
Who are you?
An honest man.
Since when did honest men start looking for thieves?
You are cunning and also sensible.
I'm also in a hurry. See you later.
Don't you want to know why an honest man wants to meet you?
I'm not interested in meeting honest men like you.
You must be interested in 10,000 gold coins, mister. I was sure that only a thief would stay back after being offered money.
You'd obviously know. After all, only a thief understands another.
I'm not a thief.
You should rather say you're a thief, but not an ordinary one.
If your opponent is sensible, it feels good to have a discussion.
Now I also understand. Since you have come here, it means that I have to steal something from you. But what?
By next Friday, you have to steal something for me. And meet me behind the Black Mountain.
But what do I have to steal?
Something that no one has been able to steal on this one. A land.
What did you find there?
That the landlord Habibullah was right. There's something wrong in the palace. And the blue diamond, which he had deposited in the royal treasury, even that was fake. Vidya, you know what? I was about to find out the truth, but then...
But what?
The black thief came there.
Baghdad's famous black thief? You actually met him? He must be very dreadful, right?
No, he looked absolutely fine. But Piddi, a person is recognized by his deeds and not by his appearance.
Mother did so much for me. Worked hard. Did difficult jobs. Tolerated so many people's taunts.
Look, there goes the traitor's wife. Shameless.
But now, I can give her all the happiness in this whole world.
You must be interested in 10,000 gold coins, mister.
Long live Queen Rukhsar!
Long live! Long live! Long live!
Queen Rukhsar!
Long live!
Queen Rukhsar! Long live Queen Rukhsar!
Queen Rukhsar, let me tell you that I didn't eat anything since last few days.
Sister-in-law, here you go. All of you go home and have food, all right? Do have a...
Long live Queen Rukhsar! Long live Queen Rukhsar! Long live Queen Rukhsar! Mother will live like a queen now.
Brother-in-law, pose like this.
Brother-in-law, girls do that and make kind of face. You pose like this, keeping your hand here. Yes, this way.
That is so rubbish. What I suggested was so much better.
Keep quiet, I will ruin your face. Shall I? Shall I do it?
I dare you. Come on,
Should I do it?
Come on,
Should
come
I
on,
do
do
it?
it.
Be quiet. My dream is going to come true. 20 years ago, Omar burned the map of the magical lamp and ruined all my dreams. Today, the black thief will bring the magical lamp and keep it at my feet.
But brother-in-law, what is so special about the lamp?
Brother-in-law, who is he?
He is someone who will make me the most powerful and strongest man in this universe. I won't just rule over Baghdad. He'll make me the ruler of this world. He is the genie in the magical lamp.
brother-in-law, he's so huge.
Yes, indeed he is.
We have to arrange some very special place to keep him, you know?
We will have to make arrangements to ascend the throne of Baghdad. With the help of this powerful genie, I'm going to become the king of Baghdad.
Years ago, uncle and aunt made me steal money for mother's medicines. But today, just because of them, the son of the most virtuous woman in this world has become the biggest thief in Baghdad.
Tell us, landlord Habibullah.
Princess Yasmin, I want justice. I have paid my taxes on time, but the government has confiscated my diamond. I think it is a conspiracy. That blue diamond is a remembrance of my late father. Your dear father, the king, is very innocent. Someone has instigated him. I have paid all my taxes on time. I am sure someone from the palace is trying to cheat the king.
If you are telling the truth, then I assure you that then I'll definitely make sure that you get justice. I am the crown princess.
Thank you, princess.
You have definitely promised him, but how will you serve justice? You are not the queen yet.
Piddi, even if I'm not the queen yet, I still have to fulfill the responsibilities of queen.